When I looked back in the 20-year career that I've had in high tech, I wished that I was able to take this workshop in the beginning of my career.
Like, I grew up in a, speak when spoken to was the culture. You don't talk about your accomplishments, you do a good job, it's what's expected.
I have had my own inner voice for many, many years, questioning my place, questioning my capability.
I Am Remarkable is really about encouraging everyone to celebrate their successes.
I Am Remarkable is a community of people who come together to connect.
It sort of changed my perspective on the way I viewed the world, the way I viewed myself, and I was able to excel beyond societal norms.
And we started growing. We went from 1 facilitator to 2 to 5 to now we were hosting workshops in multiple countries.
And we have 96% of those participants saying that they feel inspired to encourage others to self-promote.
I have participants coming to me after the workshop to say that thanks for the journey, and they wanted to take this to the team. They find it really useful as well.
The number of people that have said, I've applied for a role that otherwise I wouldn't have, I'm recommending this to so many more people, those would be the biggest things that really drive and make the impact for Salesforce.
We encourage all employees to take an I Am Remarkable workshop. And for those who do not identify as women or underrepresented groups, they're building empathy.
The I Am Remarkable program really helps us to think about and talk about what allyship truly means.
It articulated something for me that I struggled with, and that it connected me to people that struggle with it as well.
It's a huge opportunity and a huge catalyst to helping us create more belonging in organizations and to create connection across all employees.